Giants have pledged to spend $200 billion on AI-related capital expenditure this year. This will mark an all-time high for these companies. Rachna is here with more. Rachna, how do tech majors intend to invest in this new frontier?
Well, AI is the new frontier for big tech. The five tech giants, Apple, Microsoft, Google, Amazon and Meta, each saw AI as a centerpiece in their latest earnings report, reflecting how this technology is fundamentally reshaping their business strategies. But it's not just about the new features. They're making massive investments that could potentially redefine how we interact with this technology altogether. Together, the big tech have spent about $60 billion on property and equipment last quarter, primarily for AI infrastructure. That is up 60% from last year, and it's only expected to keep climbing. In fact, Amazon's Andy Jassy called it a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity while announcing that the company would be spending about $75 billion on AI-focused infrastructure next year. And he expects an even higher number in 2025. Much of these investments are going into data centers to support Amazon Web Services' AI initiatives. These are positioned to drive growth despite the enormous costs. Now, each company is not only integrating AI into customer-facing products, like we saw Apple doing iOS 18.1, which they like to call Apple Intelligence rather than artificial intelligence, but companies are also retooling internal operations and even the code behind their platforms. Google CEO Sundar Pichai noted that AI now generates 25% of the company's new code, with engineers intervening only for reviews. This, of course, indicates a shift towards this automation, but this shift raises questions for the workforce. As AI takes over routine coding tasks, now entry-level tech jobs could look very different. Aspiring coders may now need to learn skills that will complement artificial intelligence. So the end game, what could it be? Meta, for instance, has reported that AI-driven recommendations have boosted user engagement across Facebook and Instagram, and its generative AI tools are driving higher ad conversations for businesses. As companies have now pushed to make AI smarter, faster, and more integrated into our lives, it is pretty clear that spend big strategy isn't just a gamble, it's the future. Now, they're betting on everything for artificial intelligence, but NVIDIA could be the game changer. With NVIDIA's earnings just around the corner, it is expected to add fuel to this AI race. And one thing is pretty clear, that big tech believes that AI isn't just the next big thing, it is everything.
All right, Rachna, many thanks indeed. And key earnings